guys, welcome to my first video on this channel. Today I'll be teaching you some basic Python functions just the way I learned them. In this video we'll be covering the print and input functions in Python. After that I'll be showing you a basic beginner project. It's a project that asks the user for their name, stores it in a variable, and says hello to the user. Maybe in the future I'll be adding text-to-speech to this project. And just a reminder, I'll post videos as often as I can, so let's get started. Now I have CodeOSS open, but you can use any editor you prefer. Number 1, the print function. Watch what happens when I type print hi. To run the program, the command is Python 3.8 and then your file name as an argument. If that doesn't work, try Python 3 instead. My file is called main.py, so let me run the program. It prints out hi. This is all you need to know about the print function. Number 2, the input function. Watch what happens when I type input hi. Let me run the program. It prints out hi, but doesn't enter the program. Why is that? It's because it expects an input from the user. This is an input. So now I can actually type. This is all you need to know about the input function. Number 3, a simple project. Type in name equals input. Please input your name, because we need to get the user's name, right? The input function returns the text that was typed into the console as a string. So the user's name is now stored in the name variable. Python is not like JS or Golang, where the syntax for a variable is var variable name equals value. In Python, to create a variable, the syntax is variable name equals value. So now that you understand why you had to add a name equals to the beginning of the input, let's get to greeting the user. To greet the user, we will use the print function. So type in print hello, comma, name plus exclamation mark. In the print function, when you separate two strings with a comma, it inserts a space there. That is why you had to type hello and then a comma. Now let's look at the part where we added an exclamation mark to the user's name. Imagine you are solving algebra and your teacher asks you, what is x plus y? You would say x plus y, because x and y are variables. But what if your teacher asked you, what is x plus y if both are just characters? You would say xy, because x and y put together makes xy. Just like that, in Python, you can add strings or many characters to strings, and multiply strings by integers or numbers. An example of multiplying a string by an integer is the character x times 4. The character x times 4 is xxxx. Now you know how strings can be multiplied by integers. So now that you get the whole code of the project, let's run it. Let me run the program. Now it asks me for my name. I'm going to say Pyzard. Now as a response, the program greets me. It says, hello Pyzard. Okay guys, that was it for this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions or comments. I will happily explain if you have any questions. I'm actually creating a website with pure Python, HTML, CSS, and JS for this channel. It's like Stack Overflow, where you can post questions about your code, someone replies, you learn something, and fix your project. I'm looking forward to deploying it. And also be sure to watch the next video, and thanks for watching.